apart from just profits, apart from just work, apart from just business, what's that bigger thing that that employee is trying to contribute to? 100 webinars. We just can't stop. Works Love Made Visible. Organizations across 9 countries and 4 continents. The blended learning, team engagement, and our podcast to be called Hello World. Talk about habits of excellence, hustling in this VUCA world, entrepreneurship, lessons in running and managing a business, leading people, creating that vision, communicating effectively, have that right attitude, right mindset, the right outlook, no matter what happens around us in life. Great work. We'll now move to the highest level of Maslow. LEAP was our acronym given in that May webinar. And self-actualization is now being able to achieve one's highest potential. And this appeals so much to your shared services center setup. One, the work that people perform really require a lot of intellect. It really requires a lot of thinking, lots of analysis, lots of technical knowledge there. And that means people will really have to be able to relate what they're doing into these 4 letters, and we'll spell them out. At the same time, the millennials, the Gen Ys, and the younger generation, this Gen Z already joining the workforce, these are groups of people who would not focus so much on the money part. Why? While they will not say no to more money, they are not necessarily the ones who are motivated by more money. And that's because they are driven more by what they like, doing what they want, doing what they feel fulfilling, and being able to relate to letter P here. Let's now spell them out. You have L, that would be lessons or learnings. E would be exposure to new experiences. A would be having that sense of achievement that you're part of a big project. And P would be that purpose, apart from just profits, apart from just work, apart from just business, what's that bigger thing that that employee is trying to contribute to? You can also see here the autonomy and mastery and purpose concepts that Tan Pink in that video drive introduced. And if we take a look at these, the learning in terms of development of new skills, a lot of companies are also already able to provide that. It will now be a differentiator on how you can provide experiences so that they can apply these new skills. If we look at Dantig's framework, autonomy, mastery, and purpose, I'll take out purpose first because we'll relate that here to the last letter. The only way by which people can have autonomy on their work is for them to strengthen the mastery part. People go through the orientation and the onboarding. They go through their first year that they really get to be exposed to the daily grind, and to the daily challenges. The more that we're able to coach them to achieve mastery, the more they'll be able to achieve autonomy. And the more they have autonomy, the more freedom and flexibility that they have, and the more that they can choose what to work on, when, and how, with you not micromanaging, even sometimes choosing the people that they will work with, if it's project-based, can increase their levels of engagement. If I may now jump to purpose or contribution to a cause, a lot of people, especially the younger generation, are asking, what's beyond money, what's beyond salary, what's beyond receiving our paycheck? Is my work making a difference? Is it making an impact to society in general? Because especially for the younger generation, millennials, they're called global citizens as well. and they're thinking of what they're doing here is making somebody else's life in North America or elsewhere easier, more convenient, happier, and more fulfilling. So put this together, Leap. These are principles that you can use in planning activities that you will delegate to your teammates, also in shaping training and the learning opportunities for them, or simply talking to them as you use the right language, appropriate language to appeal to what they want to talk about. They may want to talk about learning new skills. They may want to know what other skills can she invest in the next few months. Or the topic of conversation can be an achievement that this person wants to gain in this company. Or it can be a topic on purpose, topic on what this person really wants to achieve in the long term. And is she getting that from his or her stay in this company? This is Louis Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.